Well, here we go. Here we go again. Got another day where we can work on this camper, this RV. I've been away for a couple weekends. And since I've been away, it's gotten cold. So I was canoeing up north. That was fun. So we got the walls painted in here last. We've got the floor to do. We're gonna start working on all the floors. The next thing we'll do is the cabinets. We gotta put the hardware on the cabinets. So yeah, we got a lot of these that have been painted. We're starting to put the hardware back on. And we've got all the hardware over here, all painted, even the screws. So this should be next project. We just got regular flooring from the local big box store here in Minnesota. It says to put over concrete and wood subfloors. Positioning the gray texture side facing up. See, I knew it wasn't right. White up. It's gray up. Okay, so
you gotta keep rolling on that side. I just overlapped this to line it up a little bit.
And the knife.
And the knife is back here.
This we're just gonna cover it.
Make sure it's straight over there. Mm-hmm.
Here's a technique. I don't know if it works.
Wait. No. This end is not straight.
Well, we're not stapling it on. I'm just gonna cut it. So we're overlapped about
Yep.
the same.
Well, not anymore. I was overlapped. But I want to get this down a little bit more because there's a... Do you have an extra limo over there?
Yeah, go ahead. What you got, two?
Okay. Good. Or do you want, is that overlap the same?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so staple,
Well, we're gonna
and then we'll cut.
staple against here. But then we're gonna tape this.
Okay. First tape.
If it sticks, it's the right tape. Next.
Okay. Hold on. I see it
Okay, go ahead and staple that side.
Just the edge, right? Not this.
Yeah, against the wall.
Whoops.
Rookie mistake.
Ooh. I'm not really
Commit.
good.
You have to commit.
Here. For here.
Yeah, turn it around and
This way?
turn it to the hammer side.
Oh. Good thing I can pound the other way. Okay.
So go ahead and tape that there. That'll help keep it down. It's not exactly straight. Let me go back there. It's like a little curve.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to untape it.
No.
Oh, leave.
Tape
Okay.
more, actually.
Oh, okay.
That one we want to keep right there. Oh, this is going to be so nice. 12 and 3/8. Tiny little mark. And that's where we're going to start.
Because you offset it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, what we want to do, because this is hard to get those two in, we have to cut one that's 12 and 3/8. So this one, we have to cut here and here. So this will be our first cut. Don't do this. See, I knew that wasn't going to be right. I cut from the wrong end. But this is underneath the bed. So you know what? I'm going to do it because I don't want to waste any material. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, but so when I cut this, it wants to go right into the floor. So if I had like something like this,
Okay.
maybe even cardboard.
Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of cardboard, but are you sure you don't, that might still cut through?
So I need to measure from here. 12 and 3/8. Use this. Actually, never mind. I got it. Yeah, the cut end will always be against the wall. Okay. Now, see, this is the problem. How am I going to do that? How am I going to do that? I can't do that. Yeah, it's got to be in. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Here.
Just gonna make a cut with the saw blade because the long ones are just too much. Too much carbon monoxide for me to bear. Oh my gosh. What the heck?
How is it so short?
I know.
Okay. Wrong. It'll be used for another area.
I hope. Yeah. Now we have two of them.
we have these.
All right, so we had a huge gap on the last one the way I did it, so we're gonna try to do it the other way. So before you saw me score it in place, but what I wasn't accounting for was this little lip here because it was against the wall. So we know that this is how it's gonna go in the wall. And we're gonna be 5.5 inches from this lip right here. So that'll get us tighter. So we want to get 2 marks for the straight edge. 5.5. So do you see the difference? That's probably a, let's see, that's a 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch. No,
It was bigger.
a little over 1/8 of an inch. That's is that 3/16. Ooh, that's nice.
Nice clean edge. So like, yeah, okay. There.
So we got that fit in there real tight. I had to redo it to make sure that end piece overlapped just that tiniest bit because I cut that little piece off right there on the other one. So I used the other one to be the score for that, and once I got that in, it was pretty straightforward. So here I'm snapping these in, cutting them, just scoring them, really. There's no small pieces coming off. These are the tools. Measure it, mark it, score it, snap it. Measure it, mark it, score it, snap it. No, this is snap it. This part's snap it. Oh, snap it. Oh, snap. Actually, it's just like a little bit of this. Yeah. A little bit of that. Yeah. Snap it. Okay, good. Here. Well, I've been working, getting all the pieces cut in. Got the front done. Look at that nice cutout. We're gonna do the Got some in there done. That was a tricky cut right there. That one piece. I just gotta put in these pieces. I'm gonna do that right now. I might have enough for over here too. And then in the hallway, I've got most of that done. Gotta put in some more here, there, and then in the bathroom. So, and we'll be done with the floor. Oi. Okay. So we got this much distance, which is about a little bit more. So we want to gonna just guide it with our hand there, like about this much, Does it look good? See you in an hour. Still rolling. Ew, that's terrible. However, if I take this down a little bit, that should be all I need. I didn't bring my marker with me, but I can see it. You can see it. Take this much out of here, and I'll be on target. Let's see if this is it. Wait a second. Oh, jeez. Just the tiniest bit right there. Boom. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Got one or two more to go. Got floor. It's in. Trim work, no problem. That's next. So we got all the floor pieces done. This piece is done. Just get some trim. That piece is done. Just get some trim. Got the dinette back in. Got the vent hooked up. Starting to come back together. Yeah, so thanks for coming along for this trip and this ride.